Hello everyone, my name is Clara. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Creations by Clara. Today we are going to be time-lapsing a 60 string monster bracelet for Mash Knots round 3 competition. So let's just hop right in and I'll just do a time lapse. Okay, I am an hour and 2 minutes in. Just want to do a little update. It took me an hour and 2 minutes to just do this, so it's gonna be a long bracelet. And at least it'll give me something to do on the way to California for the second time. So I guess we'll be working on this and hopefully we'll finish it before Mash's competition round 3 ends, you know. Let's continue. I actually messed up really bad on this bracelet, and with this whole thing I have to untie the first 3 rows all the way up to here. Because then we have to curve it in, and so yeah, I've been working on this for like an hour now, so let's continue. Okay everyone, the lighting's a little bit weird, but I fixed it, so we're just going to continue, and let's continue making the bracelet. Before we get back into time-lapse mode, I took a little break to do some off-camera work, and the plan is to do 2 more of these, and then we'll see how long it is. This is actually 4 inches right here, so I think it'll be probably plenty long. So let's just hop right into the next time-lapse. This is kind of exhausting, but at the same time, I'm so motivated that I love it, so let's just continue. Okay everyone, so time to measure the bracelet. Oh dear, it is 5.5 inches long from this point to this point. I was considering doing another of the 2, so I have 6 of them, but then it'd be like way down here. I don't really think I want it that long. So I think I'm just going to go ahead and end it off here. Owies, that hurt. But yeah, so time to do the shaped end, which is probably gonna take a while. So really quickly, while I am finishing up the triangle end for this bracelet, I made this bracelet for my entry and to round 3 of a Mash Knots Discord competition. So if you are in that competition, when the vote starts, I think it's like July 18th, my submission will be up there if you want to go vote for it. I'll have a link in the description box if you want to go join Mash's competition and make something yourself as well. So make sure to go check that out. Boom! I have a lot of, actually, no, I don't have that much left over. Well, this is the finished product. It is absolutely massive. Let's measure it real quick. It is 2 1/4, so 2 1/4 inches long, wide, and 5.5 inches and 3/4 long, and the ties are just as long as the ties are. So I'm gonna try it on. Oh, this is massive. This is just weird to wear. It's like a wrist cuff. I don't know. I would totally make this again. Like, not maybe this exact same colors or pattern, but I would totally make a thick bracelet again. Even though I probably wouldn't wear it per se, I would totally make it again because I totally found it fun. So if you like this bracelet, make sure to go subscribe and do all those nice things, and have a wonderful day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure to tune in for next time's video and to go vote on the competition.